guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be making the other half of the slime that I fixed, of this Elmer's glue slime. The theming that I'm going to be making it is going to be Cruella, because that's one of my favorite movies of all time. So yeah, what we're going to do is split this in half. Take one of these halves. Sorry, I have some extra just slime on my hands from actually mixing it. And now I'm gonna make a little tiny heart. Oh, okay. That was a fail, but you know, I can make it a heart. Hold on. I don't know how to make it face you, but if you guys see that, yeah. So now this is way too much black paint for this slime. I lifted that, makes it very pretty. Yeah, it was way too much black paint, but honestly, I do not care one bit. But I'm gonna use my paintbrush to mix this together because my hands are already black. I don't want them to be more black than they already are. Come on. Yeah, I think I'm just gonna skip this part again, the actual mixing. So I'll see you guys in a second. Okay guys, we're back, and my hands didn't get that black, but the slime is pitch black, like actually it's crazy. But yeah, we have this slime done. Now we have this white part, which is probably not going to be white for long because of all the black we're using. So what we're going to do is we're going to take some white Bingzu. I wouldn't consider it white because it's more like holographic white, but you know, white enough. There we go. So now I'm gonna mix this. Oh my gosh. And now looking at this is more of like a pearly white kind of thing. Even though it's holographic, it's not like holographic to every color. It's more of like pinky and blue and pearly. But still. I'm just gonna mix all this Bingzu in here. What we're gonna do is make this loaded with Bingzu, so it's like probably gonna be pretty hard to stretch and stuff without the Bingzu falling out, because we do have the other half, and once we mix these together, we want it to still be Bingzu, you know? Ow, oh my gosh. My pinky cracked. Yeah. So now what we're gonna do is put it half and half, because Cruella's hair is half and half. Oh. Unless she turned into a Stella, but so yeah. There we go. There it is. If you hear cats meowing in the background, those are my cats. Now we're gonna take more of the pearls and put it on the white side. Or actually, no, we're putting white on the black side. I changed my mind. There we go. Now, oh wait, actually, I have the perfect charm to resemble the movie. But first, I do have some black pearls as well. Oh, no. They're actually supposed to be boba pearls. But, wait, how many did I have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm going to try to make it the same design kind of thing. Oh, come back. So we could do one right there. And one like there. Okay, that's good enough. That's fine. Yeah, that's all I need from there. Everything I need from in here. I have some white hearts that I love to use for slimes. More. There. No more. Okay. That's all I need from in here, I think. I don't think I need anything from this little palette kind of thing. Don't need anything from there. Don't need anything from in that one. There. Okay. Now what we're going to do is we're going to grab my giant charm bin thingy. I don't know if you can see what I'm talking about. It's a little hard to see because I'm pretty sure they're like upside down a bit. They're at the bottom. Yeah. Sorry, that took a while. But we're going to take this black and white, oh my gosh, butterfly. Because if you've watched the movie, you could skip like 10 seconds of this if you haven't seen Cruella. But you know in the movie that Cruella made a dress and she used like those moth cocoons. So, yeah. And that's where I got my inspo. Let's see what else. Oh, I do have this really pretty. Oh, you know what? This could resemble. This could resemble the actual like moth egg, like moth cocoons kind of thing, I guess. There. Oh no, a bubble. Okay. Any other charms? Kitty! Same with this flower. It's very pretty, and I think it'll... I think if you saw this, you would think Cruella, right? Right. Okay. I think that's it. But now it's time for some sprinkles around it, because look how plain that looks right now. And we know Cruella. She makes dresses and stuff, you know, in her disguise as Estella, but she still does in Cruella too. But yeah, still, I think I have these, and I think that would make it look very pretty. And we also have some of these holographic glitters. There's gonna be a lot to clean up, but that's fine. Here we go. Our Cruella themed slime is done. We have lots of little decorations in it. And who knew that rippy slime could turn into two amazing, stretchy, and easy to play with slimes. Hold on. I'm going to take out a little piece of it, because I'm not going to mix this together. It's too pretty. But look, see. Oh. you can stretch way farther than the original now. Whoa, okay. It could go farther, but like I don't feel like making a huge mess and stuff right now. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. If you didn't see the video, I'm gonna post before this, and go check it out because it actually shows the before of like both of them like together and stuff. Shows how I made it this stretchy. So if you have any review slimes, you could also try this. Yeah, thank you for watching. I will try to be posting a little sooner now, but I am very busy. So yeah, but in about 9 days, so from like September 30th till probably October like 13th or something, I won't be able to post just because I'm going to be really busy those few days. But yeah, make sure to smash that like and subscribe button and turn on bells for notifications every time I post. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!